amazing action that we've just come across. The lions have managed to catch a buffalo that they chased going through the thicket. Now it's a young calf. Come on, lions, you can take this down. Isn't this amazing? Come on, it's a little calf. The rest of the herd of buffalo have raced away. Unfortunately, I think this is the end. Look at this. I think, unfortunately, that this is indeed the end for this buffalo calf. You can see the male now going in, grabbing it by the throat. It needs to keep the calf quiet. Otherwise, the herd of buffalo are going to come back and try and chase these lions off. Well done, lions. Well done. Oh. You can see he's not letting anybody go to that carcass, which is going to be a bit of a problem because the females may gang up on him in order to get a good feed. The buffalo actually tried to get up again. I can't believe it, that it managed to gain that strength, perhaps with all the adrenaline that's also rushing through its body. And then, of course, everybody came through again, and the males grabbed straight hold of the throat to try and close that jugular. Now, the lions haven't seemed to be doing too much more damage to this buffalo just yet, but we've got another lioness who's joined in and is starting to feed from the rump. An elephant never forgets, but you might. Click subscribe and you'll never miss another safari.